Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use private mode on X app. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the X app, click on profile, setting and privacy, and on this page click on privacy and safety. First option, audience and tagging. You have two options, protect your post and protect your videos. You can enable both of them, or which one do you want. When enable this option, you can protect your account and share post and video with your friend, just your friend. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.